So let's just conclude the first part of the ULS section calculations. So we are dropping example 11. It's just a Gerda system where you have most of the things we have done already previously. It's not really interesting as there is nothing new. So we are continuing to example 16, where we do have a notched support. There are two different kind of types you can calculate here. We are going to use that one, and if you opening Maple and the example 16, we do have the dimensions of the beam is 140 by 585 millimeters, and the end notch is type A with an effective height of 435 millimeters and a distance of the support to the edge of the inclination by 132 millimeters. If you're going back to the example, the 435 are not actually here, but they are on the next side. This is done because the shear check already shows that 385 millimeters is too little. So they have increased the section from 385 to 435 millimeters. When calculating the end notch, however, you are going to see that there is not enough sufficient height to check the end notch. So this is not okay, and the calculation afterward continues by having a look at different kind of reinforcements for this notch. Unfortunately, I have not yet implemented any reinforcement in the calculation of end notches, so right now you just can check this type of end notch beam. So you're putting into these values, you also check the shear force here, and you're going to have the check with beams with the notch at the support. So this is these are the values for the calculations according to the Eurocode, and as you see, there is not enough capacity, as this is shown in red and has a value above 1.0. So let's say we are concluding the EOL ultimate limit state calculation of the Limtreboka, and we'll continue with different things in the next session before we begin with the connections, which is quite an interesting and long chapter.